Alright guys, so today we're going to be changing out the tail lights from these regular red ones to the European half orange, half red tail lights. So here we go. So the first step, you're going to want to open your trunk. I have to use this rod because I don't have any struts because of my carbon hatch. It's VIS. So next thing you want to do is unscrew these things and then pop this open. And it comes right out. Then you're gonna have these 10 mils. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Then it should come out. And then you're gonna wanna unplug this one and the corner light, and it should pop out. Alright, so I'm just gonna switch over the bulbs because on mine I had LEDs and on these it had regular bulbs. So I actually didn't switch the bulbs because on this EDM tail light, this one was different than this one, so the bulb from the old tail light didn't fit on this one, so I'm just gonna leave the stock bulbs in here. So I did end up having to take off the middle part because the tail light wasn't going in all the way. So that's how it looks, a regular one. And there's the EDM one. Let me know down in the comments below which one you like better. So last thing we have to do is put on the middle piece back on. It's just gonna be 7-10 mils that you have to screw on the back, and we're ready to go.